Welcome. Today I'm going to walk you through the updated process of logging into Pinterest on your PC. It's super simple, so let's get started right away. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser of choice and go to Pinterest.com. This is your gateway to all things inspiring, creative, and pin-worthy. Once the page is loaded, you'll be greeted with the Pinterest login screen. Now, let's get you logged in. Look for the Login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it to proceed. You'll now see a couple of empty fields. This is where you'll need to enter your email address and password. Make sure you type them in correctly. Double-check to avoid any typos. If you can't remember your password, there's usually a "Forgot your password" link that you can click to reset it. Just follow the prompts and Pinterest will guide you through the process. Once you've entered your email and password, simply click the Login button. And that's it. You should now be successfully logged into your Pinterest account and ready to explore a world of ideas. Now that you're in, take some time to explore all the amazing content Pinterest has to offer. Create boards, save pins, and get inspired. If you prefer, there are alternative methods for logging in. Instead of using your email and password, you can also log in using your Facebook or Google account. This can be a quicker and easier option if you already have those accounts linked. Simply click on the corresponding button and follow the prompts. Just be sure that the Gmail account active on your phone is the same as the one you used to register on Pinterest. One of the easiest ways to log in to Pinterest is through your Google or Facebook account, because you will not need to remember your password. And remember, if you ever have trouble accessing your account, Pinterest's Help Center is always there to assist you. That wraps up our quick guide on how to log into Pinterest on your PC with the new update. I hope you found this helpful. Happy pinning!